Բարև ձեզ. Բարև ձեզ. Welcome to Peace Corps Armenia's virtual language course. My name is Anna, and I will be your Armenian language teacher during this language course. I am very excited to have this great chance to introduce you to one of the oldest languages in the world. Armenian originates from Indo-European family of languages and as such is a relative language to English. Modern Armenian is represented by two literary variants, Eastern Armenian and Western Armenian. Our language program is dedicated to Eastern Armenian, which is the official language of the Republic of Armenia. I am standing next to the statue of Mashtots, who created the Armenian alphabet in 405. Behind us is the building of the Matenadaran, the depository of the ancient Armenian manuscript, and the Armenians owe this incredible heritage to Mashtots. The alphabet that is currently used for Eastern Armenian is a set of 39 letters, each represented by an upper and lowercase symbols. 36 of 39 letters have one-to-one correspondence with the sounds of the Armenian language, which means that each sound has its letter. Only 3 letters represent sound combinations. The Matenadaran is situated in the heart of Yerevan, which is the biggest and capital city of Armenia. What about having a short walk in Yerevan? Come. This language course aims to help you to achieve communicative competence in everyday situations, as well as to equip you with reading skills. In each video lesson, we will learn one communicative competency and a set of letters. Ready to start? Then let's go! Today, we are going to learn formal greetings and farewells and 5 letters. I started this lesson with the words Բարև ձեզ. Բարև ձեզ is a formal way of greeting. We use it to greet people we are not friends with. Բարև ձեզ is also a plural way of greeting. It is used to greet 2 or more people. Let's pronounce it one more time. First listen and then repeat. Բարև ձեզ. Now it's your turn to say. Բարև ձեզ. Great job! Now we are going to listen to a conversation where people greet and say goodbye formally. First, we will listen to the whole conversation. After that, you will have the chance to listen to the same conversation sentence by sentence and practice each word of the conversation. Are you ready to listen to your first conversation in Armenian? Then let's start.
Բարև ձեզ։
Բարև ձեզ։
Ինչպե՞ս եք։
Լավ եմ։ Դուք ինչպե՞ս եք։
Շնորհակալություն։ Լավ։
Հաջողություն։
Հաջողություն։ Բարև ձեզ։
Բարև ձեզ։
Let's say it one more time. Listen and then repeat. Բարև ձեզ.
Ինչպե՞ս եք։
Ինչպե՞ս եք? is the formal and plural form of the question, how are you? Please listen as I pronounce it and then repeat. Ինչպես եք?
لավ եմ։ Դուք ինչպես եք։
A common answer to this question is love em, I'm well. Please listen one more time and say it aloud. Love em. Good job. To ask how are you, this time the pronoun duk is used along with ինչպես եք. Duk is the formal and plural form of the pronoun you. The question duk ինչպես եք sounds more like what about you? So, let's pronounce it one more time. Please listen and repeat after me. Duk ինչպես եք?
Շնորհակալություն, լավ։
Շնորհակալություն. Thank you. Please listen carefully as I say it and say it aloud. Շնորհակալություն. Let's say it one more time. Շնորհակալություն. Great job. Now let's say the two words together. Շնորհակալություն. Love. Let's say it one more time. Շնորհակալություն. Love.
Հաջողություն։
Հաջողություն։
And finally, to close the conversation, the participants use the word հաջողություն, which is a formal way to say goodbye. So, listen please, and then repeat aloud. Հաջողություն. One more time, please. Հաջողություն. Good job. Do you want more practice? I suggest you to take part in this conversation. We will listen to the conversation again, but you are to speak instead of the second interlocutor. Listen to the first speaker and then speak instead of the second person. Be sure you speak aloud. Let's start.
Բարև ձեզ։ Ինչպես եք։ Շնորհակալություն, լավ։ Հաջողություն։
Good job. That was great. I hope this exercise helped you to memorize all the expressions you need for your first conversation in Armenian. In the beginning of this lesson, I mentioned that we are going to learn 5 letters today. As we are going to practice also writing the letters, please prepare a notebook and a pen. Ready? Then let's start. Let us begin with the first letter of the Armenian alphabet. And that letter is A, Arev. Letter A makes the same sound as the English letter A in the words car or arm. The Armenian word Arev starts with the letter A. Also, there are 2 A sounds in my name, Anna. It's important to know that A is a vowel. Now, let us see how uppercase and lowercase a look. A մեծատար, uppercase A. Մեծատար. Մեծատար is a compound word. Մեծ means big. Let's say together. Մեծ, big. Tar means letter. Let's say please. Tar. A joins the two parts of the compound word. Mezzatar, uppercase. Say after me, please. Mezzatar. Good job, great. And so now, a mezzatar. Let's move on. Now, a pokratar. Lowercase a. Pokratar is another compound word. The second part of it is tar, and it means letter. And the first part is poker, which means small. Say after me, please. Poker. And now let's say the two parts of the word together with a sound connecting them. Pokratar. One more time, please. Pokratar. Great. And now, a pokratar. Lowercase a. And finally, let's pronounce the word aref, which we are going to associate with the letter a. Say after me, please. Aref. Ref. Aref. Sun. Thank you. The second letter we will learn today is S. Sar. Mountain. S. Sar. Say after me, please. S. Sar. Mountain. Letter S makes the same sound as the English letter S in the words stop and bus. Now let's look how upper and lowercase s look. S mezzatar. Uppercase S. Say after me, please. S mezzatar. And now S pokratar. Lowercase s. Say after me, please. S pokratar. Good. Thank you. The next letter for today is D. Danak. Letter D makes the same sound as the English letter D in the words word or dad. And the Armenian word danak, knife, starts with the letter D. Let's say one more time, please. Danak, knife. Good. So now let's see how upper and lowercase letters D look. D mezzatar. Let's say together, please. D mezzatar. And D pokratar. One more time, please. D pokratar. The next letter we are going to learn is E. Esh. Donkey. E. Esh. Letter E makes the same sound as the English letter E for the word hen. And the Armenian word esh, donkey, starts with the letter E. E is a vowel. E mezzatar looks like this. E mezzatar. E pokratar looks a little bit thinner. E pokratar. And finally, the last letter we will learn today is Ch, chors. Letter Ch makes the same sound as the English letters C, H make in the words chalk or bench. Let's look how upper and lowercase ch look. Ch մեծատառ. Let's say together, please. Ch մեծատառ. And ch փոքրատառ. Say after me, please. Ch փոքրատառ. Great. So the word to associate with the letter ch is չորս. 4. Say please. Չորս. Great job. We are done with the letters. We have learned 5 letters today. Let's go over them one more time. A. Արև. S. Սար. D. Դանակ. Էշ. Չ. Չորս. Now let's see what words we can make with the letters we learned so far. Actually, we can make very important words. Sa. This. Sa. Da. That. Da. Das. Class or lesson. Das. Che. No or not. Che. You won't believe, but we can make sentences with the words we just learned. Sa areve. This is a sun. Say after me, please. Sa areve. Sa. This. Arev. Sun. Is. Sa areve. As you can notice, the word order in this Armenian sentence is different from English. And the 2 points you see at the end of the sentence is period. Now let's try to make another sentence. Sa sare. This is a mountain. Say after me, please. Sa sare. Now, try please to read the next sentence without me and then check yourself. Sa esh e. This is a donkey. Sa eshe. Good job, guys. Now let's make a little bit different sentence. Da areve. That is a sun. Let's say one more time, please. Da areve. Da sare. That is a mountain. Can you say one more time, please? Da sare. And the next sentence, please read without me. Great. Let's say together. Da eshe. I'm going to introduce another type of a sentence. Sa arev che. This is not a sun. Sa, this. Arev, sun. Che, isn't. Say please after me. Sa arev che. Let's make more negative sentences now. Sa sar che. This is not a mountain. One more time, please. Sa sar che. And finally, sa esh che. This is not a donkey. Sa esh che. Let's make negative sentences also with da, that. Da arev che. That is not a sun. Da sar che. That is not a mountain. Da esh che. Thank you. This much for today. Thank you very much for your attention. You did a great job. Հաջողություն